Hello guys, another happy Sunday. Check out the moon there and listen to the birds. The moon is in Virgo. It changed into Virgo early this morning, about 6 o'clock in the morning I think. There's our sunset. I hope you can hear the beautiful birds. That was my idea. And again a happy Sunday. See the birds flying. One in front of me, but I think the camera missed it. Oh, big flock up there, but I do believe I missed that one too. You can hear them, I hope. So it is a beautiful day, and like I said, it's Sunday. There's the moon. And like I said, moon's in Virgo. There's some clouds there over in the distance. Not too many clouds now. And the sun's setting just there. Oh, a bit of a focus thing happening. And the beautiful birds, I hope you can hear them. Hearing the birds come in is just a lovely time of the day. I think you might have missed those. There's a big flock over there. It is a little shaky. I should be sitting down, I suppose, but some more birds. I think I missed them. Yeah, they're over there. So many little flocks. One in the distance, a couple in the distance. And over here, some landing in the tree. Glad they still land in those trees. I'm glad those trees are still there. Oh, I just realised there's a ladder there. Okay, interesting. I can hear them. So it's fun to try and find the birds hiding in the trees. It's very pretty. I hope you can hear that little chitter chatter of the birds. The moon in Virgo. Oh wow, there's this massive beautiful flock over yonder, but I pretty much missed it too. Bird in the tree just up there, a couple of birds flying in. That's nice to know that they're still coming in. That's good. Oh, well, I think I missed that. It was a flock. Many flocks, many birds. Sort of man I'd be, oh wow, that in the distance. Don't know if I'm getting it or not. I don't think I am. But it's a massive flock. Amazing patterns. Oh, we have a little lone one here. There he goes. It's not focusing. But you can hear them, I hope. There's been a lot of, quite a few planes, like a few light planes and a couple of helicopters today. I found that sort of a bit like, oh, okay, interesting. Sorry, it's blurry. The birds. It is nice to listen to. Alrighty, well, I'll go. I hope if you sit back and relaxing, I hope that's just made you feel nice and chill. Seeing the sky, some bird sounds, some domestic sounds, the quintessential dog in the background barking sounds, and of course our moon. There we go. So a little sky watching and moon watching. And like I said, it's just a crescent moon. It's in Virgo. Yeah. That might not mean anything to you, and that's okay. Doesn't really matter. Means something to me, but it's just an observation. It's not a way of living. It just, yeah. Alrighty. Well, I'm looking out there into the sky, wishing everyone out there and repelling it back lots of love and a great day, a beautiful night. Enjoy. Happy Sunday. Bye for now. Bye, guys.